Monday, the I don't know what day it is. Just want to jump on here real quick, give everybody an update what's been going on. So right around New Year's, just before New Year's actually, I ended up getting sick. So I went to go get tested and I tested positive for COVID, and been dealing with that for a couple weeks now. It came in like 3 different phases for me, which is good, but it kind of did kick my butt a little bit. First, the weekend, New Year's, this felt like a really bad flu, and then loss of smell, taste, loss of appetite, everything came in. I lost probably over 15 pounds, so that one kicked my butt. I didn't get my taste or my smell back until a couple of days ago, so my appetite was pretty much gone. Food was just horrible. I wanted nothing to do with food. The texture, everything was bad. And then this final phase is just coughing like crazy. I took taking 2 weeks of work off. So I go back to work tomorrow finally. It's been a major kick in the butt, but if I was to have all 3 of those things together, I probably would have sought some medical help, but since everything came in like different stages at different times, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't anything I couldn't handle. I just got really lazy, really tired. So that was probably one of the worst things, just getting really tired. I have not done anything to the yard, obviously. I had no energy for yard work. See all the rusting shoes, lack of water, got weeds coming in. It's pretty bad back here, so I got a lot of work to do to get this lawn back into shape. We had a lot of rain before the new year, so that kind of took away a lot of what I could do. And then we haven't had any rain since. We had a trace amount come a couple of days ago, and possibly some today. If we get anything, it might be another trace amount. Other than that, I'm just trying to get my strength back, to get that energy back. But I just wanted to jump on here. I'm not even dressed for any of this. I wanted to jump on here and let everybody know what's going on. I'm still alive, I'm still kicking. A lot of work to do. That mallow over there is just huge. Look at it. It's huge right here too. So we're gonna come back probably this coming weekend. We're gonna come back and get some work done on the salon, get it back into shape. I want to get some pre-emergent down before it gets any later in the season, before that spring season starts to come around. Some oranges I gotta take care of. We got weeds everywhere. They need to be pulled. It's bad over there. It's bad in there. How to clean this out. Got a bunch of work to do. So thought I'd give you guys a quick update. What's been going on? I got a lot of the plants in here. They're bad. I haven't been able to do it in 2 weeks. Over 2 weeks. So anyways, COVID can't kick my butt. Nothing can. What was a hell of a diet plan, though. I'll tell you what. Anyway, that's all for this one. Till next time, y'all take care. Real quick before I say goodbye, I was in the process of starting a video. Then I got sick and I wanted nothing to do with the computer. I didn't want to spend any time. I just wanted to lay in bed. So it's from last year and part of the beginning of this year when I went to go get tested. So I'll put that up after this one when I finish it. So it'll be out of sync there, but so again, till next time, folks. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.